to another video. Full speed SA supporters. Guys, I know it's been a while. Have to apologize. Let's get it out the way. Apologize for not posting on the channel for quite some time now, but I am back finally with a video on the Lumina SS. For now, control arms have to be replaced on the Lumina SS. Keeps knocking out my wheel alignment, and as a result, chowing my tires. Okay, so I already have a problem with rear tires. I cannot have a problem with front tires on this car. So I got to get this control arm business out of the way. I hope you guys stick around till the end. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Please like the video, guys. It will really help with the YouTube algorithm. If you guys learn something, please give it a like. Also, if you guys just want to help me out, please give this video a like. Let's hop into it, guys. Alright, guys, for the control arms, we have, I think, about 3 bolts to loosen. So we have the main one over here, which bolts the control arm to the chassis, so to speak, of the car. And then we have a bolt over here bolting the sway bar to the control arm, and we have a bolt over here bolting the ball joint of the control arm to the hub. So those are basically the only 3 24, I think this is maybe a 30, this is a 22, and over there we have a 19, if I'm not mistaken. Looks like a 19 to me. So we're gonna loosen those 3 over there right now, and I'll show you what it looks like once we're done. Alright, guys, after some much persuasion, finally got this bolt out over here. I think it's an 18 because the 19 sits a bit loosely. I just couldn't find an 18 right now, but that's definitely a 18 or 19 size socket over there, and the control arm is loose. So now I'm just going to give it a bit of a knock here with the bobayan, and it should pop right out. Let's see. Check this out. Oh, okay, so it's catching on this plate over here, as you can see. So it looks like we're gonna have to first remove it over here and then take it from there. Let's see how it goes. Alright, guys, so it just appears if I move this caliper over here forward, look what happens. Hello, control arm out. There we go. It should come out of the sway bar as well. There we go. And then last but not least, ball joint. Okay, I'm gonna need both ends of this, guys, bear with me. Once again, Mr. Wayne McKenzie came through on these control arms, complete control arms for my Lumina SS. Yeah, give him a call, guys. There's his number over there, Mr. Wayne McKenzie, owner of V8 Performance Shop. I think it's V8 Performance Shop in Milton, Johannesburg. Give him a call for all your Lumina SS requirements, parts, service parts, suspension parts, anything you struggle to find in South Africa especially. Give him a call, he will hook you up. Hasn't let me down yet. I don't think he will. Everything I've needed for this Lumina SS I've gotten on time, and yeah, No problems, no issues with Mr. Wayne McKenzie from V8 Performance Shop in Milton. So thank you, Mr. Wayne, once again. But let's open up these control arms. And here we have the two control arms, old and new, next to each other. You can see these rubbers over here cracked. That one's eroded a bit. This is actually not too shabby. You know, might be able to use this again sometime far in the future if necessary. And here we have this one, nice and tight and strong, the rubbers, no cracks. Yeah, I'm happy with this control arm. Let's get it in the car. So was a bit of a wrestle to get this one, the new one, in, because this joint over here is quite tight compared to the old one. But we have the new control arm connected to the hub, so I'm just gonna tighten up everything, get it installed, tighten all the bolts, and then do the other side. I'll let you know by the end of the video if I have done the other side. I'm kind of running out of sun and running out of time right now, but at least you got to see what it takes to get one of the control arms installed. Let's see how far we get, and I'll keep you guys posted. What is happening, guys? So as you know, we did the steering rack seals and the control arms, so we have to get the wheel alignment done. But I got some bad news in the meanwhile. This little cover came off over here in the meantime, and someone was kind enough at the clinic the other day when I took my son to go get his checkup. Someone was kind enough to leave me with a Monster type of souvenir. Are they sponsoring me now? Is Monster sponsoring me now? What is going on here? But yeah, someone scratched my car at the clinic and did not say anything about it, did not leave me a note. And yeah, that's a little bit of bad news, but I guess it makes for some good content. So now we got to get that fixed. This actually happened before, where my cousin scratched my car in East London, and I didn't show you guys that. It was like 2 months after buying the car, so I will show you guys that over here. I quickly got that fixed, and yeah, because I was just too ashamed to even show you guys. But it wasn't expected as well. He was just turning into a driveway and misjudged and went against the wall. So yeah, these things happen, guys. Also, another very irritating thing is just having your steering wheel like this. My wheels are straight. So I'll be bringing it back on Monday to get the steering wheel aligned properly, because I don't know what is going on over there, but it's completely out. It's like upside down, and it's like that even though my alignment is not too bad. So just shows you I'm not too bad of a mechanic. My alignment is out, but how I got the steering wheel to be upside down, that's something else. So yeah, let's get this alignment done, guys, and thanks for joining me on another video with Full Speed SA. Don't forget to like and subscribe. While we're talking about it, we might as well address the stone chip situation. Don't want to lie to you guys anymore. Don't want to keep no secrets. Yep, after 2.5 years of ownership, not too bad. Not too bad, but bad. Yeah, have to get this car resprayed or at least wrapped, guys. One of these days. One of these days. No promises. Something I really want to do. What a beast. I will always love this car. So as you can see, guys, I'm trying my best, my very best, to get content out, even though it's not very hard, but it's hard, especially when there's not a lot of things happening around here, around my area. It's hard for me to just record videos that are relevant to the channel and exciting, of course, for you guys to watch. But thank you for joining me nonetheless. I do have a couple things lined up in the near future, with the Lumina, and also a car meet that I will be attending in a couple weeks time, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel if you have not, if you want to see that. Yeah, and like this video if you have not done that already. I would really appreciate it. But Lumina is good to go, no issues. Just need to get new tires again. That seems to be a regular issue. I'm not surprised, but like I've said, thank you for joining me. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.